Before we finish, I would like to briefly explain the course materials that are included with your Naval App Access. Throughout the course, you will find a PDF for every lesson. These documents contain the key concepts covered in the videos, together with the main figures, diagrams, and explanations discussed during each topic. The materials are organized lesson by lesson, making it easy to review a specific subject whenever you need it. If you are revisiting vacuum infusion, laminate design, or repair philosophy months from now, you can go directly to the corresponding lesson without having to search through the entire course. If you prefer having everything in a single document, you can also combine all the lesson PDFs into one complete course manual. Many students find this useful as a reference handbook that they can keep and consult during future projects. I do recommend watching the videos first and using the PDFs as a companion rather than a replacement. The videos explain the engineering reasoning behind the concepts, while the written materials give you a quick and practical reference whenever you need to refresh your memory. My goal is that long after you have completed the course, these materials continue to be a useful engineering resource that you can come back to whenever you are working with composite structures. I hope you find them valuable and that they become a reference that you will use for many years to come.